today I'm reviewing the DRMTLGY Soothe and Recovery Cream. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time on sponsor ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the link below. And I'm having a recovered love with this cream because I used it a lot last winter, and I didn't quite finish it. And then this winter, my skin started to get really dry. I was probably doing too much of my little laser thing, and too much walking outside when it's like 0 degrees out, so my skin's really dry. It's screaming. So this one has been wonderful. I will mention it's now packaged in a tube, so it's a little bit better, and I think the bottle's actually twice the size. So I want to mention that, so it doesn't look the same as this, but the ingredients are identical. So okay, so they say the Soothe and Recovery Cream is a duly formulated moisture that calms and repairs irritated skin. Cactus, yeast extract, coconut extract, ceramides, and rich vitamins restore the moisture barrier, which help the skin to maintain its natural structure. And my first criteria is packaging. I mentioned it's now in a tube. They say our new, more eco-friendly packaging gives you 33% more in each tube for the same great price. So, yeah, I kind of got screwed, didn't I? But whatever. Oh well, sometimes it happens. Okay, my second criteria is denatured drying types of alcohol. Does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no real scent to it, so that's always a bonus. The manufacturing location for this one is the U.S., so no issues with that. So ease of use. So it is a rather thick cream. There you go. But it is wonderful. So you can just smooth this over irritated areas of your face or your entire face. I especially use this one on my neck because my neck is always dry. And even when I walked yesterday, I put a scarf on, but somehow that scarf ended up leaving like a little tiny hole for like the 0-degree weather to just blow right through and freeze me to death. There's a really cool thing though in Stillwater. I just went for a walk and they had all these ice sculptures out there. They had the world's ice sculpting competition going on. So it was really cool. It was really cool. So you want me to include a pic? Okay, there's a really cool genie. Anyway, so I walked longer than I should have and got really cold, but it was cool. Okay, so anyway, so very easy to use. It absorbs nicely. It's kind of thick, so keep that in mind, but absorbs, sets to kind of a slightly radiant finish. There we go. So you can use this on certain areas. You can use it on your face, your neck, your body, anywhere you need. Does take a little bit longer to absorb, and I prefer to use this in my evening routine unless my skin is really dry, then I use it in my morning routine as well. Okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. We've got Bisabolol, soothing ingredient. It's the active part of chamomile, which is soothing and calming, which you can drink as well. It might be calming. Maybe I need to include that on my days where I drink more than 2 cups of coffee. Maybe I need to include a chamomile chaser to calm myself back down. I don't know. Ceramide, skin identical ingredients and hydrating ingredients. We've got prickly pear extract, soothing, moisturizing. Also has some protecting properties to protect skin from UV light damage. We've got Saccharamyces, Cerevisiae extract, which is also known as baker's yeast. Although it sounds more fancy by the name of Saccharamyces, Cerevisiae extract other than yeast. Hydrating, skin conditioning ingredient. We've got vitamin E, antioxidant and hydrating ingredient. We've got Allantoin, skin soothing and hydrating ingredient. We've got Phytosphingosine, which is a cell-communicating, skin-identical ingredient, as well as anti-acne, which I didn't ever really realize that until recently. We've got cholesterol. It's a hydrating ingredient, skin-identical ingredient. Hydrogenated soybean oil, which is an emollient. And then finally, we've got panthenol, also known as provitamin 5, hydrating, soothing, and anti-inflammatory. So really nice ingredient list of hydrating emollients, skin conditioning ingredients, and some soothing and calming ingredients in there as well. So very nice ingredient list. And then there are a couple dupe similar products to this. I'll talk about that in a second. I'll also be featuring this in another video this week. So in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free. Performance, really nice hydrating, soothing. Great product for irritated, dry skin or dehydrated skin or winter time. Great for people using strong retinoids that can leave your skin feeling dry. Great for healing and calming the skin barrier. Does contain quite a few acne-genic ingredients, so if you have very acne-prone skin, I would probably use it as a spot treatment. We've got Dimethicone, cetyl alcohol, isopropyl palmitate, glyceryl stearate, stearic acid, sterile alcohol, vitamin E, and carbomer. So a lot. So be very careful with it. Okay, so price. So this was the smaller size. Now It's a tube. It's 3 ounces. It retails for $39. Makes it a little pricey, although a little bit of it goes a long way. I started using this last fall and used it probably December through March, and then didn't really need it so much. And now that it's cold again, I'm using it again, and I still haven't finished this size. So it is a little bit pricey up front, but it does last quite a while. So still a little pricey. Okay. It Factor, so this is a very close dupe of the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, nearly 90% identical. Also, very similar to the Pacifica Vegan Ceramide Face Barrier Lotion, and also quite similar to the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Cream, which I'll be doing a dupe video of this week. So, very nice product, love it. It's an affordable version that's of a more expensive product. And great for those with dry, dehydrated skin, or those that live in a cold or dry environment, or using strong retinoids. So, overall, I gave this a 9 out of 10. Really great product, worth checking out. If you're acne prone, just be careful. So, anyway, those are my thoughts on this. Interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check it out yet or not, and what your thoughts are. So, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.